Welcome to the Explainer. Google's Flow AI just dropped a massive update for 2026, and believe me, it is a complete game changer for anyone creating video. Today we're going to break down exactly what's new and how you can master it.
Okay, let's just dive right in. Google has pretty much rebuilt the entire video creation process. The old way you used to do things, yeah, that's gone. But trust me, the new system is incredibly powerful once you get the hang of it. So let's walk through it together. All right, first things first, let's cover the basics. We're going to start with the completely new interface and show you the workflow for generating your very first images and video clips. So the first thing that's going to jump out at you in a new project is the UI. It's totally different. And if you're trying to upload your own media, well, it's a little bit of a treasure hunt now. You have to find this tiny little plus icon at the bottom. Once you click it, a second icon pops up to let you upload your files. It's kind of hidden, so we wanted to make sure you knew exactly where to look. Now here's a really big change in the workflow. Right from the very beginning, you have to decide, are you making an image or a video? Because that choice sends you down two completely different paths, each with its own dedicated set of AI models. So let's take a look at the new model lineup. For images, your default is Nano Banana 2. You've also got Nano Banana Pro for that extra high detail, and Image J4 for when you want to get more creative. For video, you get to choose between a fast model that costs 20 credits and a super high-quality one for 100 credits. But the really big news here? The super popular VO42 model has been completely removed. It's gone. But here it is, the most important change for creators, and it is a huge one. What's the cost to generate an image with any of those models? Zero. Absolutely nothing. And this right here is the best new feature for anybody who loves to experiment. You can now generate as many still images as you want, in any style you can think of, without ever worrying about burning through your credits. It's a total game changer for finding those perfect visuals for your project. Okay, now let's get into the really powerful new editing tools. This is where you can take those basic generations and push them to the next level. We have all been there. You generate an image that is almost perfect, but there's just one tiny detail you wish you could fix. And in the past, that meant you had to start all over from scratch. Well, not anymore. The new Lasso Tool is amazing. It lets you draw a selection around just the part you want to change. You give it a simple prompt like, add a small mouse, and the AI regenerates only that tiny section with incredible precision. It perfectly matches the style of the original image. All right, so you've got your perfect 4-second clip, but what's the next challenge? Extending it into a longer, more dynamic scene. And yeah, the 2026 update has a simple but really powerful solution for exactly this. It's a really straightforward 3-step process. All you do is select the clip you want to continue, hit that new extend button, and then write a simple prompt describing what you want to happen next. The AI then generates the next part of the video seamlessly. No cuts, no jarring transitions. It's so smooth. And now for the holy grail of AI video creation. This is the feature everyone has been waiting for: how to keep a character looking exactly the same across different scenes and different shots. You know, character consistency has been the single biggest roadblock for creators trying to tell a real story with AI video. Until now, your character's face or clothes would just change from one generation to the next. The new workflow for this is just a brilliant, simple trick. First, you generate the perfect image of your character. Then, you go into its settings and rename the file to something you can remember, like Ramu. From that point on, anytime you type the @ symbol in a new prompt, a little list of your named characters just pops up. You select @Ramu, write the rest of your prompt, and the AI will generate a whole new scene with your exact original character. This changes everything. I mean, everything. You can now create entire short films, commercials, you name it, and your main character will look perfectly consistent from the very first frame to the very last. Okay, so these new features are absolutely amazing, but generating videos still costs credits. So the big question is, how can you use all of this for free? So we've established that you can make unlimited images for free, which is fantastic. But let's be real, video is the expensive part. So what's the solution? The answer is in a pretty special promotion. If you have a Jio SIM card, you are eligible for an incredible offer: 1,000 free video credits put into your account every single month. This offer lasts for 18 months, which gives you nearly 2 years of free access to create long-form AI videos. So, what does this all mean when you put it together? Let's just wrap up with the single most important takeaway from this massive 2026 update. Ultimately, the Google Flow AI 2026 update has just demolished the two biggest barriers that were holding creators back: the high cost of just experimenting and the lack of character consistency. The tools are more powerful and more accessible than they have ever been before. So, really, the only limit now is your imagination. That's all for this explainer.